Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Chastity here today with another drool-worthy human treat. Today I'm participating in a Hunts Burger collaboration with Anna from Cooking the Books. Go check out her channel to see what she's cooking up. On her channel she reviews vintage cookbooks, so if you're into vintage like I am, her channel is definitely one you don't want to miss. We're going to be cooking up a recipe from this cookbook. This is Hunt's 21 New Ways to Serve Hamburger. My mother-in-law said she used to send off for free cookbooks and things, and she would purchase the product, then they would offer her free items. All she had to do was send off the proof of purchase, and then they would mail the item to her. Well, I found a few of these Hunts booklets in the box of cookbooks that she gave me. And it's a small booklet, only 23 pages, but it is jam-packed full of info, recipes, and I absolutely love the photos. I'm going to be making the surprise burgers. I chose these because they're lower in carbs and they go with my diet. Also found it funny that these burgers are stuffed with cheese. Apparently that isn't a new idea. Hunt's was doing it over a half a century ago. Okay, on to this recipe. So you're going to need 1 8-ounce can of Hunt's tomato sauce. Now I'm not a fan of plain tomato sauce, so I bought Hunt's basil, garlic, and oregano tomato sauce, but I'm sure they did not have this back when this cookbook was made. Also going to need 1 pound of ground beef. I'm not sure if this is a pound, but it's what I'm going to use. You're also going to need salt and pepper and sharp cheddar cheese slices, and I'm just going to use my grater to slice the cheese. The directions say to form the ground beef into 8 thin patties. Doesn't really say how thin, but at the thickness I'm doing, I'm only going to have enough for 6 patties, which I may have under a pound of ground beef, who knows. Put the cheddar cheese slices on 4 of the patties, or in my case 3 of the patties. Then place the other patty on top and pinch the edges to seal. I've had my cast iron heating on medium heat, so I'm going to place the patties in the cast iron. And oh yeah, I need to salt and pepper the patties. You know what? I'm going to add some garlic powder and onion powder to the burgers. I know the recipe doesn't call for it, but we really like seasoning and flavor in our food. Plus, Steve isn't a big fan of tomato sauce. He wants mustard on everything, especially his burgers, and I'm not a big mustard fan. I prefer ketchup. I'm going to have to give it a little flavor if he's going to eat it. So according to the recipe, I need to wait for this side to brown, and it doesn't give a time frame, but I would say about 4 to 5 minutes and it should be browned on that side. Okay, now I'm going to flip it, then I'm going to pour the tomato sauce over everything. And it says to let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to toast some keto bread. I think this will be really good served on toast. It smells so good, y'all. I'm going to add a slice of cheese to the top because can you really have too much cheese? I'm going to cover the skillet so the cheese will melt quickly. And that's all there is to it. This is a super easy recipe and it takes under 30 minutes to prepare. Well, there you have it. Drool-worthy Hunt's surprise burgers. My mother-in-law Nancy absolutely loved them too. I will be trying other recipes from this Hunt's book. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go over and check out Anna's recipe because you will love it. I will leave a link in the video description to her channel. I'll be posting a cooking short tomorrow since I did a full-length video today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I never ask people to subscribe at the end. I just figure if you want to subscribe, you're going to subscribe. But anyway, subscribe. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for a cast iron skillet. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check back often for more drool-worthy human and doggy treats. Have a blessed day.